Hello everybody, we use K518 Pro to program smart key for the Leapmotor C11 in 2022. The key in the shell is the original car key. Another key is this new key. Now we use our K518 Pro perform key programming process. Select IMO in remote, select Leapmotor. Select C11, pass. We can select all key lost. Add key function doesn't delete the original car key. Let's read the key count. The count of programmed keys is 1. Well, we could show you all key loss process. You can choose add key function if you don't need to delete the keys. We'll show you each menu. Keys are all cleared. Enter learning mode. Press the unlock button for 2 seconds. Press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. Okay, program completed. The current number of keys is 1. Okay, now we're gonna add key. Programmed keys don't need to be programmed again. The current number of keys is 1. Getting into learning mode. There are some differences between add key function and all key lost. Press the unlock button once, press the lock button again. OK. Press and hold the unlock button for 2 seconds. Same action for lock button. Program completed. The current number of keys is 2. Whether to program the next one, cancel. OK, check the count of keys. The current count of keys is 2. OK, uses K518 Pro to program the 2020 Leapmotor C11 smart key. Programmed successfully.